the character of Thomas before the resurrection. So maraming Christians alam nila, kilala nila si Thomas as Doubting Thomas. No, Doubting Thomas. Or in other words, faithless. But interestingly, gaya po ng binasa ko kanina, hindi po nakasulat doubting. Tama? Kung nakikinig kayo mabuti at nagbabasa kayo mabuti, hindi nakalagay doon doubting. Nakalagay ba doubting? Ang nakalagay doon, faithless or not believing in the original Greek. Well, let's accommodate doubting and unbelieving. Kahit saan mong tingnan ang gulo, maliin, di ba? Mali. Alala niyo po, merong verse sa Book of Romans, sabi ni Apostle Paul, makinig kayo lahat, whatever is not of faith is sin. Ano man daw ang hindi sa pananampalataya, kasalanan. Yung doubt ba, of faith ba yan? Of course not. That's the opposite of faith. Yung unbelief, of faith ba yan? No. It's the opposite of faith as well. So kahit saan mong tingin ng anggulo, mapa-doubt to unbelief, ayaw ni Lord yun. Ayaw ni Lord yun. Ayaw ni Lord na nagda-doubt ka. Or worse, unbelieving ka. Iba po yung doubt and unbelief. Strictly speaking. Parang fornication and adultery po yan eh. Kinaklarify ko po yan. Kasi maraming Christians ngayon, akala nila, they thought those are the same.